Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this dual monitor mount by FlexySpot. So you can see here, it's BESA compatible, so 75 or 100 by 100. It's also the weight is from 2 to 9 kilograms. Then the monitor is between 17 inches to 32 inches screen. Then you can adjust the swivel 90 degrees to 15 degrees. So I'll show you the bottom the box, some more information. So this angle adjustable, gas spring inside, then cable management, the optional basement, then double screen. Okay, the model number is MA8D2B. Okay, so I open this now so you can see what's inside. So okay, okay, it's a box. Inside the box there's some manual. Just show you like a guide how to do this. Or some like a brochure. Then another thank you for choosing FlexySpot. Then the instruction on the parts included inside the box. Installation guide. Okay, and here it is. This part. So here's the base. Quite heavy. And this one. And this is the mount to the back of the monitor. So you can see there are two options for 75 by 75 or 100 by 100. This. And this is just a plastic cover. Also a plastic cover. Some tools and screws. See here, it's clearly labeled, and with the Allen screw. This one. Hey. Remove the spiral. Quite heavy. Yeah. FlexySpot. Looks really good. So I'll try to install this one and I'll show you afterwards. Okay, after installing, now here how it looks. So I got two monitors and it's adjustable. Just adjust this one as well.